hope you guys are doing well. And I also hope you guys are having an awesome 2022. So today's video is going to be a little different because I'm going to be showing you this cool new thing that I got, which is the Pro 2020 electric standing desk, which the lovely team at Omnidesk sent me to review and show you guys, hence the sponsor of today's video. So Omnidesk's Pro 2020 electric standing desk is, as you can see in the name, a standing desk, which is customizable from things like its color, table size, and also their add-on accessories. So the cool thing about them is that they're from Australia, so you're welcome, Australians. So before I talk and go into the nitty-gritty review of the details, I'm gonna first show you how I basically order and got the desk. So when you go to the desk on their website, it'll give you a few options, such as the type of desk you want, and then you can also choose the different type of leg color as well as the tabletop. And when you put your order, you get a 7-year warranty, which is pretty cool. And when you scroll to the bottom, you can also add other items. So the next step is after you place your order, you will get your table delivered by one of their personal delivery trucks. So the whole delivery process is actually pretty fast. I think I made my order like on a Monday or a Friday, and then it came the week after. Okay, now let's talk about the table itself. So the table comes with this controller, which you can put on the left or right side of the front of the desk. And what the numbers mean is you can set presets to specific heights which you want to save. And of course, the up and down button is going up and down for the table. Overall, the table movement is quite good. Like when you press the controller, it's quite sensitive, and it's also very smooth when it moves up and down. So the table can go quite high, which I really like because it makes tucking the chair under the table quite neat, saving a lot of space in the office. So as I showed earlier, you get to choose different table sizes. I went for a larger table, so that allowed me to have this lovely table easel or drawing easel on my desk to draw with. Now, along with the table, Omnidesk was also super generous and sent me some of their add-ons. So the first one is the motorized power riser, which includes a wireless charger, so that's what you're looking at right now. And the rising part is the super cool part. So as you can see right now, I just turned it on by holding it down for a few seconds, and then when I press it again, just watch that thing go. It just rises up. So here you have it. On the top is the wireless charger, so you can put your phone on there, and then it includes 3 power points and 1 USB charging port. So how the power riser looks is it's attached into a hole which is customized drilled into your table. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It rises very smoothly. So So what I've been doing is charging my iPad and my phone, and also connecting my computer to the power port. So the next accessory which they sent me is the cable management bar, which I really love because it makes everything so neat, minimal and clean. I'm also surprised by the quality and the material of everything, like the cable management bar, the legs and table are actually very sturdy. Like, I think the cable management bar and the legs are made out of metal. So yeah, that's pretty much the review and my thoughts on the Omnidesk electric standing desk. Now it's time for the usual studio vlog, but this time I'm using the new desk. end of my studio vlog. I hope you guys did enjoy the little review of my new standing desk. as well as some fun little snippets of January's rewards. Okay, thank you guys so much for joining me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!